What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fabe here, back with another one, and today I got a special one for you guys. Today we got a pair of Nike Air Trainer Highs, aka the Bo Jacksons. Now this pair is the Alabama edition, released back in 2013, but due to some wear and tear and age, of course, the soles can use a little TLC. But no worry, we got that good old Fabes Sole Sauce. We're gonna go ahead and ice these bad boys back to perfection. Come with me.
Before we get started on the process, let's get a detailed overview look of the shoes here. This way we can have a true comparison of the before and after effects of Fabes Sole Sauce. And as you guys can see, these soles are in pretty bad shape. I mean, yeah, the A is still visible, but this deep yellowing is nasty and it just has to go. And as I give you guys a side-by-side comparison here so you can get a more detailed view, you can see how much TLC they need. And to my understanding, these things are supposed to have an icy blue tint in their factory look. So we're going to take our Fabes Sole Sauce. I'm going to get these things back to factory perfection. Let's get started. Now the first thing we're going to want to do is take our Fabes Sole Sauce and apply it to the affected area only. Now on these shoes, that happens to be the entire sole here. So go ahead, take your Fabes Sole Sauce, apply a nice layer to it, and then go ahead and take your paintbrush and smooth it in evenly. Now after you got a nice layer of sole sauce on the soles there, you want to go ahead and cover them with saran wrap. Now as you guys can see here, I like to use two pieces and have them meet in the middle breaking point of the soles here. Now what that does is create a nice tight seal which keeps the sauce nice and moist on the sole, which allows you to have a more longer, more effective session. Now after that, you'll want to place your shoes under sunlight or UV light if you have one. Now if you do have a UV light, you can go ahead and extend your sessions anywhere from 24 to 48 hours straight in a single session. And once your session is over, simply remove that saran wrap, wash off that remaining sauce, and compare your results. As you guys can see here, they look better already. From me not even comparing, they look a whole lot better. Let me go ahead and let me get this off, let me get these cleaned up, and let's get a true comparison, ladies and gentlemen. Now for this process, I like to give it a nice pre-rinse. It gets off that, quick little excess sauce there. And then I'll go ahead, take a scrub brush and any generic cleaner, and give it a nice deep clean. This way I get that deep sauce out of there. And here are the results after just one session at 48 hours in that single session. As you guys can see here, they are a lot better. Now, no, they're not perfect. Now, definitely not perfect. We got a few blemishes on the heel there, and then on the little pads there. But as you guys can see, we have some significant change here. We are on our way, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like maybe 2 to 3 more sessions, and these things might be good to go. As you can see from the side by side, yeah, got them a lot better. They're looking a lot clearer as opposed to that deep, nasty yellowing. And yeah, let's keep it going, ladies and gentlemen. Let's keep it going. And here we go. Back to step one, ladies and gentlemen. And as you guys know, you want to take your Fabes Sole Sauce and once again apply it to the affected area only, which once again on these shoes happens to be the entire sole here. So go ahead as I speed up this process for you. Yep, get the toe caps there. And yeah, you know, stage one, ladies and gentlemen. We already know the drill on this one. Take your paintbrush, smooth it in evenly, and let's get ready for stage two. And stage two is that good old saran wrap. So go ahead, seal up your soles, and then go ahead and place them under UV light once again. And just to refresh your mind, ladies and gentlemen, these were the results after just that one session at 48 hours in that single session. And this is what they look like after 2 sessions at 48 hours each session. No, they're not perfect, but we can do better, ladies and gentlemen. And here are the final results after 3 sessions at 48 hours each session, totaling just 96 hours of treatment time. And just look at how clean these things are. I mean, we got them back to that factory icy blue perfection. I mean, whoo, look at these things. These things are as icy as the day you bought them. I mean, listen, I impress myself sometimes. I mean, look at how clean these things are. Let me give you a side-by-side comparison here so you guys can see that real deal detail. I mean, look at the comparison. Look at that deep yellowing on the right and that clear icy blue on the left. I mean, it's just a thing of beauty. It's just a thing. Listen, for me, I love that clear icy blue sole. I love it. Nothing wrong with the yellowed soles, but that icy blue is just so clean. And it was all courtesy of that Fabes Sole Sauce. You can go ahead and purchase your bottle of Fabes Sole Sauce at www.fabesole.com. Product link is also in the description. And if you made it this far in the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for there are more videos to come. Thank you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.